Hello, my name is the LoneStar Wolf. Welcome to the Royal Rumble predictions. Alright, for the kickoff show, we have Sasha Banks versus Nia Jax. I have two words for you. The boss wins. I'm sorry, Nia Jax, you lose. Becky Lynch, Nikki Bella, and Naomi takes on Alexa Bliss, and the returning Mickie James and Natalya. I may have to go with Alexa Bliss, Mickie James, and Natalya, because Mickie James is a good wrestler, and most of these female wrestlers within the WWE are good, but they're not as good as Mickie James. So, and we have the Club versus Sheamus and Cesaro for the tag team titles. I got two words for you: the Club. And for the other, and then we have Neville taking on Rich Swann for the Cruiserweight title. Neville wins because he has more experience than Rich Swann does. He's a newcomer to the WWE. Case closed. Neville wins. Alright? And then we have we have Kevin Owens, aka Donuts, taking on Roman Reigns for the Universal title, with Chris Jericho high above in a shark cage. I know what's going to happen. Jericho will do something and help out his friend Donuts, Kevin Owens, because I know Chris Jericho. Not personally, but I know how Chris Jericho works. He always cheats to win, and he loves to help out his friends. So I'm picking Kevin Owens in this match. And for AJ Styles versus John Cena. I'm a huge John Cena fan, but I might have to go with AJ Styles on this one. Because AJ Styles is, I don't want to say better than John Cena, but think about it. John Cena is doing TV shows, movies. AJ Styles loves to wrestle. Which is more important, movies or wrestling? Wrestling. I have to go with my man AJ Styles on this one. And for the Royal Rumble itself, y'all, I have two words for you: Bill Goldberg. Because I know what's going to happen. Well, think about it. At Survivor Series, Bill Goldberg beat Brock Lesnar in 26 seconds. For people at the tail end would be Brock Lesnar, Undertaker, Braun Strowman, and Bill Goldberg. Right? So, two guys will be brainstorming with the Brock Lesnar. Right? With help by The Undertaker. Bill Goldberg enters and he will eliminate all three guys. Like that. So Bill Goldberg wins the Royal Rumble. And I forgot to mention some other people too. Kurt Angle might be in the Royal Rumble. Jeff Hardy. Matt Hardy. And CM Punk. If CM Punk is number 30, I'm picking CM Punk for my second choice. So my first choice is Bill Goldberg. Number 2 is CM Punk if he shows up. And this has been a production of the Royal Rumble predictions, hosted by LoneStar Wolf.